right in her face.
Or she's gonna get licked.
Hey, Layla.
Oh, gentle.
Hey, Lay.
Gentle.
Layla. Okay, it's time to release. Release on.
Can you let her lick your toe?
No.
Why not? Are you afraid you're gonna get doggy cooties?
No.
No.
Come here.
Okay, it's alright.
It's okay, Layla.
Hey, Aunt Rachel, is it okay if you can release her? Please.
You love Layla.
Nora! Oh, I got one. Oh, with the tongue out. Ew.
Nora, come back.
Oh,
Come
let me
back.
look. What happened?
Nora.
Nora and Layla got lots of kisses.
Nora,
No,
please.
she's doing it because
Nora,
we're
no.
laughing.
All done, Nora.
All done.
Release Layla, please.
Nora, all
Look at this
done.
one.